I have some great new things I want to show you. I have a couple things that I'm not so keen on that I want to show you. So let's go ahead and get into it. Thank you so much for being a subscriber to the channel. If you aren't following on Instagram already, here's the handle in the upper right hand corner, I think. And let's just see what's been in store and what I have been testing out lately. First, what's on my face. For my foundation, I am wearing Maybelline's newest skin tint. This is the Superstay 24-Hour Skin Tint with vitamin C. Not the exact color match on me, and I even had to try to mix shades to kind of get it somewhere in the vicinity. I'm going to link the video review and full day wear test for that in the upper right hand corner so that you can see my final thoughts if you are interested. A brow product by Milk Makeup. I actually got two things from them. This that I'm holding now is the Milk Makeup Kush Brow Lamination Gel. The other one is their pencil, their brow pencil that they have. I don't have it with me because it's in my gym bag. I do like that product, but it's a little finicky to use because the oval shape of the pencil is I don't know. I'm not saying it's my very favorite, although I do really like it. And of course I'm using it regularly because it's in my gym bag, but this product is super simple and easy and kind of foolproof to use, and I do really like it. It is a clear gel with a short mascara type brush. It does not disturb the powder that I put on to fill in my brows underneath, and the hold that it gives the brows, it looks natural and gives you that hold without it looking like you have glue on your eyebrows, if you know what I mean. So I have been very much enjoying this. Gives you a little more of that full look to the brows. This sunscreen that has been recently released by First Aid Beauty, I adore this. This is the Weightless Liquid Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. So would I use this if I know I'm going to be in direct sunlight, especially in the summer days? No, I would use an SPF of at least 50, but this is what I have been using since it's not quite full summer yet. This is a tinted sunscreen. I don't want to waste any of this, but put it on the back of my hand. That's what the tint looks like. It's a watery formulation, but has a very natural matte finish. It feels incredible on the skin, sort of unmatched. I have had a couple of other tinted sunscreens that I've really liked in the recent past. This one's probably at the top of even those, so make sure you shake it up well. Obviously, depending on your skin tone, maybe this tint doesn't quite fit, but I think it's gonna match a lot of skin tones, and it feels just absolutely wonderful on the skin and helps smooth it out while giving you that protection. Works very well and plays really well with makeup on top. I've never had an issue, no pilling, no streakiness, anything like that. And it gives you a little bit of that mattifying finish to it. So A+ for this product. A lip product that Glow Recipe has released. This is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Beautiful packaging, very cute, just like everything else in Glow Recipes line. And this is what the balm looks like. It goes on pretty much clear. And if you love the Laneige kind of lip mask, this is not exactly it. I know it kind of looks similar. This has more of a firm texture to it than Laneige balm is more of like a mask. This is more firm, and it's not gonna move around as much on the lips. Beautifully hydrating. It has the hyaluronic acid, makes the lips nice and glossy looking, and smells great too. The fragrance is lightweight. It's not strong or overpowering. So this is great for locking in moisture. I've been trying to address not only the skin from the outside, but also addressing my health, getting back in the gym. I've had some issues with injuries and like tendonitis in different areas. So part of me addressing that is I've been taking these omega-3 pills from Iwi, and there's actually two that I want to talk about. So I'll talk about this one first. I think this is probably their main product. It's their mini soft gels. It is the omega-3, and they get the omega-3 from algae, which I think is really cool. The omega-3s are great for your body. It's great for the heart in particular. It can also help with your joints. They say there's 50% more absorption. It's a plant-based form of omega-3s. You get 60 soft gels in here. They recommend that you take 2, so that would only last you 30 days. I oftentimes just take 1. But what's interesting is it says that they have this patented formula where they get the omega-3s from algae, which allows the body to absorb 50% more omega-3s than fish, krill, and other oils. Because typically you think omega-3s, you think things like salmon, and that being the major source. So I think that that's very intriguing. The formula is gluten-free and vegan. And then I am also going to be testing out their sport version. Again, the omega-3s from the algae, but this has superior absorption of not only the omega-3s, but there is DHA in here to support muscle recovery. And at first I thought, that's probably just like a throwaway thing, but then I looked into DHA and it is a key building block for helping muscle recovery. So if you are someone who's active or an athlete or who lifts weights at the gym, I think that's something that's really can be helpful. And once I start testing this out, if I see anything noticeable, I'm definitely going to report back to you, because that would be a great way to not only get your heart healthy omega-3s in there, and it can be nice for like hair and brain and heart and joints and all that kind of stuff, but then also the added benefit of recovery after a workout. That would be fantastic. Before we get to a product I did not enjoy, I want to show you this hair wrap. The company is MUAVES. I tried looking so many different places on YouTube videos, on the company's own website for how it's supposed to be pronounced. I want to say MUAVES, but MUAVES is M-A-U-V-E-S. I don't know. I don't know if it's MUAVES. I don't know how it's pronounced. But they are a very cool company. They have these hair wraps. Now, I've used a wrap for my hair to dry it after I take a shower for years now. But these are very special. First, they have beautiful ranges of colors, but what's unique about them also is inside it is microfiber cloth, so very gentle on your hair, which is particularly important when it's wet. When your hair is wet, that is when it is at its most fragile. And then on the outside is a satin material. So I have this beautiful like orange gold shade. And even on top of the product itself being so high quality and wonderful, the company is minority owned. It's run by women, which is fantastic. The products are made with sustainable materials. The wrap came very simply and minimally packaged in this, which you could definitely use to put, toiletries in here. It's water resistant. And look, these beautiful models that the company uses. This is an instruction little pamphlet if you've never used a hair wrap before, and this is like hair instructions and washing tips and things like that. So I really appreciate this company, and I have been really impressed by the quality of their hair wraps too. All right, the product that I want to show you that I've lost the cap to somehow, but I have used this up completely, so I know what I'm talking about. I've tried to give this many chances. This is the Inky List Polyglutamic Acid Dewy Sunscreen SPF 30. I've seen so many TikToks and reels of people just raving about this product, and I love so many things from the Inky List. I have so many Inky List products, and I was excited about this, but this gave me so many problems. At first, it just seems like a really thin cream sunscreen that's great, but it pills like no other. I cannot wear it with any sort of makeup on top because it just pills off like I'm a lizard losing and shedding a layer of skin. I couldn't even, I could, and I did, obviously, because I used it all up. I would try using it just on my neck and then using a different sunscreen on my face so that I didn't have problems with the makeup that I was putting on top of it. But even on throughout the day, it would be gross. I would find myself like doing this to my skin, or if I had it on my face, like near my jawline, and it just kind of like sloughing off, and me just having these like rolls and bits of sunscreen, and it's just not it. So I don't know. I don't know if other people genuinely don't have that issue. I don't know why I would just have that issue with this product. I use so many different sunscreens and most of them don't give me that issue. If people are truly just, their skin is such that they don't have that problem or what. But I definitely had that problem all the way through from beginning to end using this product, and it never went away no matter what I did, no matter what other skincare I paired it with or what I tried to avoid using with it, yada, yada, yada. So definitely not going to repurchase this product. Sorry. One of the very few fails, in my opinion, from the Inkey list. Love the brand otherwise. Okay, those are favorites and fails, new beauty related things that I wanted you to know about. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you in the next video.